In the event of a tariff war between countries, healthcare businesses, especially in India, can face significant disruptions. Who are affected? Pharmaceutical manufacturers, especially those importing active pharmaceutical ingredients. Medical device companies. Hospitals and diagnostic centers, relying on imported equipment. Retail pharmacies. Patients, due to potential rise in prices or reduced availability. Healthcare exporters, facing retaliatory tariffs. What is the problem? Increased tariffs on imports-exports of medicines, active pharmaceutical ingredients, equipment, etc. Supply chain disruptions. Rising production costs. Delays in delivery. Limited access to high-tech or critical care devices. Why is this a problem for Indian healthcare business owners? India imports 65 to 70% of its bulk drugs, active pharmaceutical ingredients from China. Tariffs increase costs. Delays in imports affect manufacturing timelines, leading to shortages. Margins are already thin in many segments. Increased input costs hurt profitability. Makes Indian exports less competitive due to retaliatory tariffs or increased input costs. Could lead to loss of trust from international partners due to fulfillment issues. Possible solutions. Make in India push for pharmaceuticals and medical devices. Invest in backward integration to produce active pharmaceutical ingredients domestically. Negotiate trade deals with friendly countries to maintain supply chain stability. Government subsidies and production-linked incentive schemes to encourage local manufacturing. Form industry alliances to share resources and reduce dependency. Adopt just-in-case inventory models instead of just-in-time. Challenges in respective solutions. High initial investment for setting up local active pharmaceutical ingredients production. Long gestation periods to establish manufacturing capability. Regulatory approvals can slow down localization. Lack of skilled manpower in certain areas of advanced device manufacturing. Dependency on global technology or intellectual property rights that may not be easily replicable. Limited availability of local raw materials for some drugs or devices. Uncertainty in government policy or delays in incentives disbursement. What healthcare businesses should do. Diversify suppliers to avoid dependence on any one country, especially for active pharmaceutical ingredients, equipment, etc. Increase local sourcing of raw materials and components. Build inventory buffers for critical drugs and medical supplies. Establish strategic partnerships with alternative international suppliers. Monitor trade policies closely and engage with trade bodies for early warning and lobbying. Invest in local research and development to reduce dependency on imported technology. Review pricing strategies to absorb or pass on increased costs. Use digital tools to optimize supply chain logistics. Seek government incentives for local manufacturing, like production-linked incentive schemes. Educate customers about pricing impacts due to global trade tensions.